Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
To achieve the perfect roast turkey, cook it for approximately 30 to 40 minutes per kilogram. For optimal results, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for a conventional setting, or 160 degrees Celsius, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for a fan-assisted oven. Remember, these times are guidelines. Factors like your oven's performance and the turkey's stuffing can affect the cooking duration. Always ensure the turkey's internal temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, for safety.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.